How to use NanoBanana.ai for business content. First of all, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the NanoBanana.ai website. Log into your account to access all the AI tools available for creating business content. Once you are logged in, click on the Start Editing button on the homepage. Here you will find options like Image Edit and Text to Image, which can help you create high-quality visuals and marketing materials for your business. For visual content, select the Image Edit option. You can upload your company images, product photos, or marketing materials by clicking on the Add Image button. Then use the main prompt to describe how you want the image edited or enhanced. For example, you can request a professional look, branded designs, or creative visuals suitable for social media, ads, or presentations. Click Generate Now to let the AI process your edits. If you want to create completely new visuals, use the Text to Image tool. Here you can provide detailed prompts describing your business, product, or campaign themes. The AI will generate unique images that match your specifications. Additionally, you can use other features like background removal, filters, and effects. Now you know how to use NanoBanana.ai for business content creation. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.